Rex wiring. Let's talk about Rex wiring. On our Motion Rex, we've defined everything on here except one terminal. We've got our Rex from our panel, and we've seen that. It goes to C and NO of the motion sensor. We've also seen the positive that feeds the motion sensor. That's the constant 24 volts. We've also seen the switched 24 volts that hits the motion sensor on C. What we have not seen is where that NC goes. Well, that's carrying power over here to the button. So that NC, which in this case was, what color was that? That was the orange cable, right? Because we used NO green on C. So the orange NC needs to run, and this is the orange from the wiring harness on the motion sensor. The orange, which is NC, needs to run to the common on the relay. Okay, so let's see what happens there. Going back to our motion sensor harness, there's an orange cable right there somewhere. Here it is. Comes down. Here's your orange, comes down. Here's your orange. Following all around. Here's your orange, tying to green. That green is simply feeding this little jumper that I've got coming down here to this button. And that particular green goes right where I said it did, under C. So that orange from your wiring harness becomes green, right? And it goes to the button and it wires to C. Okay? So that takes care of everything in the wiring harness on the motion sensor.